Samsung has kept the design of the Galaxy Z Fold largely unchanged since the release of its second-generation model in 2020. Consequently, it is not surprising that the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is anticipated to bear a strong resemblance to the company's current leading foldable device. A recent leak from the trustworthy tipster Ice Universe provides a glimpse of the minimal changes to expect in the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. The leaker shared frames showcasing the comparison between the upcoming device and the current generation. With the exception of the flashlight being relocated to the right of the camera cutout, it seems that there are no other noticeable changes. In a follow-up tweet, Ice Universe placed the two frames atop of one another. With some red lines, Ice Universe showed that the width of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5's external screen is going to remain unchanged too. In simpler terms, it appears that the aspect ratio of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 will not be altered when the phone is folded. The device is expected to retain its tall and narrow form, differing from the recently announced Google Pixel Fold, which adopts a more conventional aspect ratio when in the folded position. It's disappointing that the current slim design of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold makes typing a bit harder. Moreover, having to unfold the device just to send a quick text feels awkward and unnecessary, adding an extra step that could be avoided. Setting aside the concerns about the current aspect ratio, there is a phrase that comes to mind. If it's not broken, don't fix it. Galaxy Z Fold 4 is a well-designed device, and there is a valid argument for Samsung to make gradual improvements rather than significant changes. It has been reported that the upcoming model will be thinner and lighter due to the use of a new teardrop hinge, for instance. Moreover, the external appearance of a phone does not necessarily reflect its internal capabilities. It is widely anticipated that the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 will incorporate the new Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, which will provide a significant speed boost. In fact, purported benchmarks indicate a considerable improvement in performance compared to even the Galaxy S23 Ultra, indicating that Samsung has made progress in optimizing its for Galaxy chips. Still, if you're starting to find the design of Samsung's foldables a bit stale, good news may be coming next year. One leaker believes that the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 is going to see a major form factor change. What form that change takes remains to be seen, but if that sounds even slightly tempting, it may be worth sitting this generation out and seeing what Samsung has up its sleeve for 2024 instead. That concludes today's video. I hope you found the information useful. If you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing to the channel. I would love to hear your thoughts on this topic, so please leave your comments in the section below. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.